and welcome back to my channel. I am in my robe right now. It is freezing down here in Florida. So yes, I really hope that you guys enjoy, and let's get into this Valentine's Day tutorial. Okay, so to start this look out, I'm taking the Kat Von D tattoo liner and I'm tracing out my wing. I like to use a gel pen, specifically the Kat Von D tattoo liner, in order to do this because I feel like this gives me a really nice sharp edge, and then what I'll do is I'll go in with more of a liquid liner and fill it in from there. So for that I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Liner, and as you can see I'm just filling in the wing. You'll see me going back and forth, just getting that line nice and precise and sharp. The hardest part when doing a wing is just making sure that it's even. Now since we're going to be going over this with a glitter, you don't have to make sure that it's completely filled in perfectly, because if you get some glitter on the wing, we're just going to go right back over top of it with the black later. So as you can see, like I said, I'm just going back and forth, making sure that the wing is even. And now I'm going in with the Heavy Metals Glitter Liner from Urban Decay, and this is in the shade Midnight Cowboy. And as you can see, I'm just going right over top of that wing with the glitter. This look is so simple and so easy to create, but it still looks very glamorous. As you can see, I kind of got a little bit of glitter on the black liner, but like I said, that's okay because you could just take your black liner and go right back over it, and you won't be able to see the glitter. You want to make sure that you kind of do 2 layers of the glitter in order for it to be like really bold and pigmented. Make sure that you kind of fan it out with your hands. If you look up, the glitter will transfer on your lid, and you don't want to lose any of that glitter that you just put down. So now you can see I'm just going back over the black just to make sure none of the glitter got on it. And now I'm taking my Smashbox Radiance Primer and rubbing that all over my face. And I got that in my Ipsy bag. And now I'm taking the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation in 220 and this Flower Beauty sponge, and I'm going to blend that all over my face. This sponge, by the way, is amazing. It is so soft. This is one of the best sponges I've ever used besides the Beauty Blender, especially for the price. It is amazing, and it's purple. Now I'm taking the Tarte Shape Tape and I'm mixing it with a little bit of the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer. And now I'm going to be taking a Morphe E8 to blend that in. And the reason I'm using a brush is because for some reason I feel like when I use a beauty blender, it will sometimes take away that coverage that I need. So when I use the brush, I feel like it's not taking away any product and it's just blending it out perfectly. And then if I feel like it looks a little cakey, I will then go over it with the beauty blender. Now I'm taking my Morphe E4 and I'm going to set all that down with the Maybelline Fit Me powder, and this is also in the shade 220. Now I'm taking my Morphe E4 and my Milani blush, this is in the shade Luminoso, and applying that on my cheeks, right on the apples. Next I'm going in with the Butter Bronzer from Physicians Formula, and I'm taking this contour brush from Royal & Langkugel. I really hope I'm pronouncing that right. And I am carving out the cheekbones. I'm also going to bronze up my chin and my forehead a little bit. As you can see, I'm doing more of a patting motion on my forehead. I saw Nikki tutorials doing this, and I just love how the blend looks when you pat it rather than swipe it. Now I'm taking my Morphe E47 and I'm going to take the same bronzer and contour my nose as well. I love this bronzer. It is so light and it smells amazing. Now I'm taking my favorite highlighting brush, my Morphe 501, in the Maybelline Master Chrome Highlighter. And girl, if you're trying to glow on a budget, this is for you. This highlighter is seriously amazing. I'm taking that on the high points of my cheeks, Cupid's bow, and down the bridge of my nose, and then I'm going to go over it with the Mary Luminizer. just to give an extra little oomph. And now I'm taking the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist and spraying that all over my face to lock it in for the rest of the day. And then I am taking the Fenty Beauty Lip Paint in the shade Uncensored, and this is what seals the deal. This is what really ties the entire look together, is this bold red lip. And you don't have to use this color. That glitter wing with the bold red lip, I mean, it's everything. And you did not even try too hard. You didn't break your wrist blending, taking 45 minutes to blend out an eyeshadow look. And it still looks like you tried. Alright you guys, so that's it for today's Valentine's Day inspired makeup. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to leave it a thumbs up and subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys in my next video.